This is Professor Patrick Caton, and this is an overview of ENPM626, Environmental Energy Security. Formerly, this was a course focused in biomass and waste to energy, and the theme has been expanded to this present theme of environmental energy security. This class really has 4 themes, but let me introduce those themes with a few pictures, starting with the earliest, I think, conceptions of energy security, which were born out of pictures like this in the oil crisis in the 1970s, when the supply of oil was hindered to the United States and people could not get enough gasoline for their cars. This was a major shock around the world, and it led to the idea of energy security being connected with energy supply. That definition of energy security has evolved over the decades. Now encompasses a whole lot of themes which we endeavor to address in this course, particularly environmental ones. And history repeats itself. This map shows natural gas pipelines from Russia, a major natural gas supplier, into Europe. And in the wake of recent current events between Russia and Ukraine, massive instability and spikes in the natural gas market have occurred, as indicated by this trend of international hub prices for natural gas. This has caused major insecurity, particularly in Europe, where heating is required and most of that heating is done via natural gas. It's caused some countries in Europe to revisit environmental pledges and to return to dirtier coal-fired power plants, which offer them security in the short term. So there is an interplay among the markets for energy, the supply of energy, and the environmental impact, both short and long term, of energy. And all of those things work together to encompass ideas of energy security. So one of the things in this course we'll do is build this 3-tiered model based in literature of energy security, and then use it to understand impacts of different resources and even different current events on energy security, and particularly the environmental energy security. So I would say that's sort of the final themes in the course. One of the first themes in the course is looking at all of the resources in the world today with a map like this, which shows exergy resources on planet Earth, and taking an unbiased, brand new look at all the things out there that we know of that could supply our energy needs, and then evaluating them in terms of this energy security model. The final question we'll ask in this class is, how could these resources and the technologies associated with them be creatively applied to meet the projected demand of humans, all the while knowing that we have to meet that demand while trying to address concerns associated with energy security?